Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today we're on a 2008 Ford Fusion with low miles, 42,000 miles. Alright, so what we're gonna do is change the time. It's really easy. Just go ahead and turn off your radio, but you can have it with the radio on, but this is easier. So it's 5. As you can see, it's on hours. Just go ahead and change it. And the minutes 50. Just click on menu again. It'll say minutes. Just 550 right now. Once you have it set up, just go ahead and select menu again. There you have it. It's that easy. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one.